Understanding the phrase, job offer, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very important phrase in the English language, especially if you're entering the workforce or job hunting. We'll be discussing the term, job offer. This is a phrase you'll frequently encounter in professional settings, and understanding its nuances is key to navigating the job market effectively. So, let's dive in and demystify this essential term. A job offer is essentially a proposal made by an employer to a potential employee. It signifies that the employer is interested in hiring the candidate and is ready to enter a formal employment agreement. This offer usually includes key details about the job, such as the position title, salary, benefits, and start date. Understanding a job offer is crucial because it forms the basis of your employment relationship with the company. When you receive a job offer, it's important to know what to look for. Most offers will include 1. Job title. This is the official name of the position. 2. Salary or wages. The amount you will be paid, often expressed as an annual figure or hourly rate. 3. Benefits. These can include health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off. 4. Job responsibilities. A brief overview of what the job entails. 5. Work schedule. Information about the hours and days you are expected to work. 6. Start date. When the employer expects you to begin working. Understanding these components helps you make an informed decision about the offer. Once you receive a job offer, you typically have 3 choices: accept, decline, or negotiate. 1. Accepting. If the offer meets your expectations, you can accept it formally, usually in writing. 2. Declining. If the offer doesn't fit your needs, you can politely decline it, also preferably in writing. 3. Negotiating. If you like the job but want better terms, like a higher salary, you can enter into negotiations with the employer. Remember, it's important to respond to a job offer in a timely and professional manner. In different cultures, the process of giving and receiving job offers can vary. In some places, the offer might be very formal and written, while in others, it could start as a verbal agreement. Being aware of these cultural nuances is important, especially in international job markets. I hope this video has helped clarify what a job offer is and what to expect when you receive one. Whether you're just starting your career or looking for a new opportunity, understanding the concept of a job offer is a key step in your professional journey. Good luck, and see you in the next video.